So here's the next project. This has a blown head gasket. So what happens is when you crank it over, you can see right down in here where the head meets the jug, it was shooting gas out, and they said it was smoking real bad and it was missing real bad. So we determined that after giving it a light pull and a backfire through that hole, it decided that it was done. So we're going to do a head gasket on this. Doing a head gasket, you got to do an intake gasket, 2 of those, 2 exhaust gaskets, and then here's our valve cover gaskets, 2 of those, and here are the head gaskets, 2 head gaskets. So all genuine Briggs & Stratton stuff. Hopefully that helps us out a lot. The guys over at McKinley Lawn and Garden helped me out to get me all these parts. They had all of them in stock, thank goodness. So I'll get started on this and hopefully have it back up and running by Monday. This is a Little Wonder blower or leaf vacuum, and it has Vanguard 18 horse V-twin. So it's time to start taking it apart, I guess. We figured out afterward, and we've just about got everything dismounted here. Head gasket leak, or if it was an exhaust leak, but it's coming apart one step at a time. And there's your rocker. Grip goes in there and where it touches. So we'll make sure we get those right back in. So the exhaust is still. And intake hard removing head bolts and pull. Alright, head removal. It's coming off. Be gentle, it's my first time. Alright, here it is, the moment of glory. Nope, not glorious yet. Now it's glorious. Oh my goodness, would you look at that? Blown out, dude. Blown out. Yeah, that gasket is totally blown out. That is definitely what you call a blown gasket, that's for sure. So, we're gonna be brand new one on there. I think it's been blown for a while. I think it just finally blew out the rest of the way. Oh, there it is. There it is. Look. The gasket literally blew out, like it exploded out. Can you see that? That was an explosion. Hopefully it didn't do any damage. Looks pretty good to me though. Everything looks like it's in pretty good shape. There it is. Yeah, that was explosive right there, bro. Wow. Everything looks good though. It didn't hurt anything. Yay! Let's put it back together. Looking shiny. We got all the old gasket material off. There's in. You just basically we're going to torque 10 foot-pounds. Snug this one, snug that one, snug this one, snug that one, and we're just going to ensure that everything snugs down on there even and tight. This is going to be our 5 foot-pound. We're snugging. We're going to add 5 foot-pounds after we get all of them snugged down. 21. Can you divide that by 12? I don't have a foot-pound. 15. And now we're going to go to 20. This is a Harbor Freight torque wrench, so don't judge me. 21 foot-pounds. So this is going to be our final torque. Yes. 21. It's 21. Go ahead and double check here. O-rings right here. You're going to keep an eye on those and make sure you get them. It'll be easier to tuck it in on the valve cover. There. Then we're going to drop these on. This thing is going to be running in no time. For the moment of glory here, just a second, so stay tuned. It's almost time. Our hard work We've got the head gaskets on. We've got everything ready to go. Got the pipe on. We've got the discharge on. Let's give it a pull.